Over my 8-year experience, I've handled hundreds of cases in all forms of family law matters. Family law encompasses divorces, legal separations, annulments, child custody, child support, spousal support, and restraining orders. I have had many clients who have attempted to handle the family law matter themselves or go to someone who claims to know or have knowledge of family law to assist them in it. Family law, from what I've studied, is probably the most complicated type of law you'll see. People who are representing themselves make the mistake of thinking that family law is only factually based, meaning what I've experienced, I put it on paper and I expect the judge to rule accordingly. Family law, just like any other type of law, is very driven by law, and the courts not only need the facts that go in support of your case, but they also need the law that supports what you're asking them to order. A lot of the people who've attempted to handle the matters themselves have found out that it was a lot more complicated than they thought, and unfortunately they end up having to come to an attorney, and sometimes at a point where they've already caused and created a lot of damage to their own case. A lot of the risks for people handling family matters themselves is that they end up going to court representing themselves and getting orders that are detrimental to them. Changing an order is much more difficult than obtaining an initial order. And unfortunately, by the time they've come to me, they've created a lot of damage to their own case. You should hire me as your family law attorney because I limit my practice solely to family law. I'm very experienced in family law. I give a personal touch to all of my cases, and I make myself available to my clients. To be an effective family law attorney, unlike practicing other types of law, one needs to be more patient, understanding, sympathetic of what our clients are going through. It's a period of time for our clients that is very stressful, very fearful, very scary. So we need to be more understanding of what they're going through and also be more available than maybe other types of attorneys need to be. Every family law case is unique. Because of such, you need an attorney who has the experience, who's handled many different cases to understand truly is what needed in your case. You need an attorney who's patient and understanding enough to be able to sit and personalize your case and figure a strategy that's most effective in handling your matter.